Please answer that, that's your mom. Please answer that, that's your mom.
Hello?
Muslim, morning.
Morning, mommy, what's up?
Not a thing, but that's a call if I ask you how the party
Oh, the
planning
party
going.
planning is going fine so far. So, I almost finalized everything.
So are you alone to do everything?
Yeah, me by myself.
So wait, the one to her sister and her mother?
You know, since me and Denise move in, her sister move away.
One to her, shall I get mad?
Maybe she feel like say me I take with Denise from her or something like that. You know, people feel sometime when them used to seeing them family members and then after one of them family members getting a nice relationship, then probably get jealous or feel like say, you know, you try to take them away from them because them used to having them around and stuff like that.
Shalomar, jealousy. You confront her about it?
No, I'm not confront her about it.
Well, you need to ask her if she can make she bust a nut, breathe her, give her back rub, pay her light bill, cook for her and do some things a man do where she can do. Bright and out of order.
And I ask her them something, man.
Well, if it stress you out, not stay in it. You hear me? Enough woman would love to have a nice young man like you.
I understand that. Trust me, I understand.
Oh, the one Denise she take it.
Denise not really make it get to her. You know, she just work through things and make sure say everything alright.
Alright, if you say so.
Yeah, man, everything good otherwise. Man, I make that get to me, mommy.
If it no work out, little friend of mine always ask
alright, mommy, thanks for calling. I'll keep you posted, alright?
Alright, later.
Alright.
Love you.
Boy, I tell you, it's easy, you know.